Hello guys, welcome to our channel PSLE Math Lab. Today we are having an algebra problem which is related to age. Now let's look at the problem. Jimmy's age is 1/5 of Tim's age. Tim will be 27 years old in 2 years' time. And in how many years of time will Tim's age be 1.5 times of Jimmy's age? Now for those who wanted to try the problem, you can pause the videos here. And for those who already tried the problem or keen to find out the solutions, let's move on. So given the condition, Tim will be 27 years old in 2 years' time. Tim's age of this year is 27 minus 2, which is 25 years. And Jimmy's age is 1/5 of Tim's age. So we can use 25 times 1 over 5, which is 5 years old. So this year, Tim is 25 years old and Jimmy is 5 years old. But the question is asking in how many years. We can think of after n years that Tim's age is 1.5 times of Jimmy's age. And we also have a hidden condition which is related to age problem. The hidden condition is the age differences between two persons is always a constant regardless of how many years passed. So let's illustrate here. So this year the age differences is this part. So we mark it here, which is 25 minus 5, 20 years. And after n years, Jimmy is n years older and also Tim is n years older. But when we minus to calculate the age differences, the n years cancel each other and also this part cancel each other. So you can see after n years, the age differences still the same as the age differences as of this year, which is constant 20 years, 25 minus 5, 20 years. And we also have the condition Tim's age will be 1.5 times of Jimmy's age, and we can tell after n years the differences between Tim's age and Jimmy's age is 1.5 minus 1, which is 1 over 2 times of Jimmy's age. And we can calculate after n years the Jimmy's age is 20, which is corresponding to 1 over 2 times of Jimmy's age divided by 1 over 2. And this is 20 times reciprocal of 1 over 2, which is times 2. So after n years, Jimmy's age is 40 years old. And we can use the Jimmy's age times 1.5 to calculate Tim's age. Yeah, so after n years, Tim is 40 times 1.5, which is 60 years old, and Jimmy is 40 years old. And you can double verify it, 60 divided by 40, which is 1.5. And also use the 60 minus 40, which is 20 years difference. Now we wanted to calculate after n years the n. We can either use the Tim's age differences or we can use the Jimmy's age difference, which is 60 minus 25, which is 35 years, or we use 40 minus 5, which is 35 years. Yeah, so the answer is in 35 years that Tim's age will be 1.5 times of Jimmy's age. Now let's move to the trick part. So the thought process of this solution is we have the information to calculate Jimmy and Tim's age of this year, and also with the hidden condition that the age differences between two persons is always a constant regardless of how many years passed. We are able to calculate that after n years, what is the Tim's age and also what is the Jimmy's age, such that Tim's age will be 1.5 times of Jimmy's age. But here we can also using the algebra to solve. We let x represent Jimmy's age, y represent Tim's age, n represent after n years. This condition fulfilled. So because of this condition, we can tell y, which is Jimmy's age, which is Tim's age, equals to 27 minus 2, 25, and here Jimmy's age x, which is 25 times 1 over 5, which is 5 years old. And after n years, Tim's age will be 25 minus n equals to 1.5 times of Jimmy's age, which is 5 plus n. And we are able to solve it using the algebra way. And here we just rewrite 1.5 time equals to 3 over 2. Then multiply 5 plus n, and then here on the right side we are going to remove the bracket, which is 3 times 5, 15 over 2 plus 3 over 2n. And now we are going to minus n on the both sides. So 3 over 2 minus n, here we have 1 over 2n. Then we are also going to minus 15 divided by 2. So here on the left side, which is 25 times 2 minus 15 divided by 2, so it's 35 divided by 2 equals to 1 over 2n, then we multiply 2 on the both sides and equals to 35. So with the algebra way, we are able to calculate in 35 years that Tim's age will be 1.5 times of Jimmy's age. But on the exam paper, I think you need to write the n on the left side. Yeah, so if you like our videos, please give us a subscribe and also click the subscribe button. Please also turn on the notification button to receive our latest post. We also prepare one similar question, and this question is slightly difficult than what we have solved today, and the hint is to use the algebra. And for those who wanted to find the solutions or answers, please post it in the comment, and we'll be posting the answers and solutions after seeing the comment. And thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.